Taranithoi Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly ki mga suba session ngasi Speaker 𝗬𝗏 𝗦𝗡𝗏𝗓 matam kakdana adjourn tawkre ngasi Nungthil House ki mifam loisilakpada Speaker na hai Governor na samanthad tawduna February 19 da haukiba session asida punna mifam mga leiki Governor na address piraba matungda House na motion of thanks to Governor's address pass tawke Manipur ki Governor oiramba PB Archaria yauna House ki member oiramba amadi Assembly Secretariat ki Secretary oiramba leikidaba miyoi singda reference PK mifam asida star question kuntra mapan leki ama withdraw tauke unstar question na Nepal leki paper tarahumdoi house table tauke financial committee ahum sem ke calling attention motion Nepal pukhalaki loinana lengakna bill Nepal puthoki bagal loinana pass tauki haina speaker na phongdoke
Suba Manipur Vidhan Sabha ki mga suba mifam ki aroba numit asida achaubu thodang lobiriba treasury amsung opposition based election biriba honorable members singbu thagat phongdokchari mathangda government officials security personnel assembly officials loinana media gi silnaw singbu su thagat phongdokchari honorable governor of Manipur na samon tawduna phangkiba mifam asida period of session from 28 February to 5 March 2024, number of sitting 5, Governor address presented, motion of thanks to Governor address held, obituary reference held, star questions 39, 1 withdrawn, and star question 8, paper led 13, election of 3 financial committees held, calling attention 8, business advisory committee report presented, committee report 2, short duration discussion 3, discussion on matter of public interest 1, government bills introduced and passed 8, resolutions adopted to session the 5th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly is adjourned sine die.